ژوند هیله د ژوند هیله په دغه خپرونه کې د شهزاد کاموال خصوصي ښوونځي د زده کوونکو سره د زړه خواله کوو د ژوند هیله.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحیم. د لوی څښتن تعالی په سپېڅلي نامه ژوند هیلې ته ښه راغلاست. نن راسره د شهزاد کاموال خصوصي ښوونځي یو داسې زده کوونکی، یو بااستعداده زده کوونکی، خوش اخلاقه چې د لیاقت په ډګر کې د نوم د هېرېدلو نه دی، حسیب الله سادات درته اډور په اړه معلومات درکوي.
Adverb is a word which is used to modify a word, adjective, another adverb, and sometimes whole sentence. Examples: he runs fast. Fast is an adverb because it is an adverb. Run is a verb. We say something that explains the verb. It is called adverb. He is a very good boy. Very is an adverb because it is an adverb that explains the good, and the good is an adjective. Another sentence: he runs very fast. Very fast. Fast is an adverb, and also very is an adverb. We say one adverb to explain the another adverb in this sentence. Fortunately, Shahzad Kamaal won the final. When an adverb is used at the beginning of a sentence, it is called. When an adverb is used at the beginning of a sentence, it explains the whole sentence.